This segment of CoastLife is sponsored by Jab and Flow.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's April Jones here over at Jab and Flow. If you struggle with bad posture and rounded shoulders, I have a few exercises for you that you can do daily to help with that. So another exercise that you can use with a roller, or you can put pillows right here, are called book openers. So you're gonna lay just like this on your side. I'm gonna go 90 degrees at this leg. That's gonna be supported by the roller or pillows. You're gonna take your arms just like this, and you're going to move and open just like a book. Move it to the other side. You might hear some pops and cracks. That is all natural. This is a great one to really open up that thoracic spine, that upper back.